Hey everybody, Waylon, Chavez here with ABQ Premier Properties. Just wanted to take a few minutes here to give you a tour on this beautiful home that we have just listed here in the northwest part of Albuquerque, right off Ladero and Unser. The address is 7616 Kingsway Court Northwest. You're about a minute away from Unser and I-40 on the freeway to get you out to the east side if you need to go to the east side, but you're right here by a bunch of new local eateries. There's a Walmart right around the corner, a great place to be, and it's great growth and expansion here in the west side. So what we're doing today is what I want to do is give a new twist to an old tried and true method in real estate, which is the open house. With today's technology, you can see I'm going to give you a virtual open house so you can be literally anywhere and watch this and be able to view the property via Facebook Live and video. That way you don't have to come out here, take time away from your day, or we don't have to take time out of your Saturday to come and visit us on an open house. We'll give you a virtual tour, a virtual open house where you can ask questions. I'm going to give you all the details of the home, the price, and everything about the home, and also give you a tour. So if you have any questions that come up while I'm giving the tour, please put them in the comments. I will answer each and every one of them. And also, please hit the like and share button on this if you think anybody that you know that wants to see it. So before we go in, what we're going to show is it's a home. It's on a corner lot and it's on the end of a cul-de-sac here, so it's very, very quiet, as you can see. And on the other side there is a big vacant lot, so you're very quiet. You have no neighbors to that side, which is awesome. So it's 1,435 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and with plenty of upgrades. As you can see right here, the owner did all this stepping stone and pavers himself to upgrade the house, to bring it up to some aesthetic value, to add value to the home. So we're going to take you inside now, and you can take a look at the house, and we'll give you a tour. The owner also, before we put it on the market, also did a full exterior color around the whole house. So everything is sealed and colored on the house. It's all brand new. That way you don't have to worry about that and discoloration from the years of stucco or whatever it may be. And then you come in here and you have a beautiful new living and dining area. And I say new because the seller did put new carpet. There's new carpet throughout the home. So you can use this as a study, as an office. You can use this as a dining room, living room, whatever you choose. You have the options to choose what you want and make it what you want, which is pretty amazing. And we can come this way. This is the, kitchen. The appliances come with the home. So the refrigerator, stove, and microwave will come with the home, so you don't have to go and make that expense. And again, as you can see here in the living room, there's brand new carpet throughout the home. The seller has invested a lot in this house to make it sellable, because when you do sell a home, you want to put yourself in the best negotiating position as possible. So the seller has done that. That way it attracts the buyer. Because how do you feel when you walk into a home that has brand new carpet? You get that brand new carpet feel, you get that excitement, and you know it's well taken care of. And on this side of the home is the bedrooms, the master bedrooms in the back, away from the street, which is pretty awesome because it's even quieter back there. You're on a cul-de-sac, your room is in the back, so you're pretty quiet. And this is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty spacious. And in here you got the master bath, which has a great feature. It has double sinks, but they're actually separated. So it's pretty awesome if you want to take a look at that. And as you can also see in the bathrooms, there's tile in all the wet areas, which is awesome. So that way it's very wipeable, it's very easy to keep clean, it's maintenance friendly. And as you can see down the hall here, we have a laundry room, 2 other bathrooms, and another bathroom. If you want to take a look at that, come through here, and you can take a peek in at the other bedrooms and the laundry room and the bathroom. And as you can see, you have a separate room for the laundry room. It's not in the hallway. It's not in the kitchen anywhere. You have your own separate room back here for the laundry room, which is pretty awesome. You have the shelving up here to put whatever necessities you may need for the laundry room. And as I've been saying, the seller's done a lot of upgrades to this, including the exterior paint. They did the caulking. They did the they did the carpet. But now let me take you outside and give you a tour of the outside and the upgrades that they have done outside to bring this home and beautify it for the next owner. And a couple of them include extending this patio here with its own cover. That way you can have this entertaining area. It's a great area for entertaining. As you can see behind me, they've raised the wall so you have very much privacy throughout the home. The other thing the seller did was he upgraded to a 16-SEER refrigerated air unit. All the homes in the neighborhood were built when they were brand new, were evaporative cooling, but he invested and took the time to put a 16-SEER refrigerated air system, which we all know here in New Mexico is pretty amazing. If you have, an evaporative air cooler, it just blows, kind of fresh air, and the refrigerated air is pretty awesome. If we come this way, this is a great house for entertaining or a great house for family, whatever you may do, because you have an electrical outlet out here which is ready and wired for a jacuzzi or whatever else you want to put out here, but it has the wiring, it's all set up and ready to go. And as you can see behind me, it goes this way in the corner, but the block wall is a little higher than normal for privacy, and it's intended for that reason, for privacy. If you come this way, you see you have a nice private side yard also. So again, it's a great home. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comments. Please share this. And as your local real estate expert, we want to bring it and make the process of buying or selling a home or even investing easy to you. So if you yourself, if you already have a home, maybe you're thinking about investing, reach out to us. Let us help you build that portfolio, because we know real estate over the long term always increases in value. So if you're looking to build some sort of retirement portfolio, college, whatever it may be, reach out to us. We don't only help people buy and sell, we help people invest also. So thank you for taking a tour with me. Again, I'm Waylon Chavez with ABQ Premier Properties, your local real estate expert. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And again, hit like and share on this video and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.